In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a checkbox required in Docusign. Now, whether you're a seasoned Docusign user or just starting, I'll guide you step by step through this essential process, ensuring you make the most out of this powerful digital signature tool. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. As the global leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, Docusign is your one-stop solution for digital signing needs. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Login button. It's easy to spot, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. After logging in with your credentials, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. Here you will see various options to navigate through. Look for the button labeled Sign or Get Signature and click it. This is your gateway to creating and sending documents for signatures. You might be wondering how to bring in your document to begin with. Well, that's simple. Just click on Upload. A window will pop up, allowing you to select where your document is stored. You'll want to choose Desktop to access files stored directly on your computer. This action will let you browse through and select the document you intend to send. With your document chosen, you'll notice that Docusign allows you to add specific details to tailor the document to your needs. Go ahead and add any pertinent information or additional notes that might guide the recipient through the signing process. Adding these specifics now can save time and questions later. Having personalized your document, click on Next to proceed to the next phase. This step will bring you to the field placing screen. Here you'll want to ensure recipients have all the necessary guidance to complete and return the document correctly. It's crucial to take your time and verify everything looks perfect before moving on. Now you'll see a variety of fields you can add to your document on this interface, like dates, initials, and of course checkboxes. Select the checkbox option to insert it into your document where necessary. Being familiar with Docusign's drag and drop feature will be extremely helpful at this point. Finally, make sure the checkbox is marked as required. This might just be a simple checkbox setting within the document field options. Ensuring it's marked as required ensures the recipient has to interact with that specific field before completing the document. And there you have it. These steps will guide you to successfully making a checkbox required in your Docusign forms. Remember, ensuring a checkbox is required can help prevent oversights and ensure your document is complete. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Make sure to check out other videos in our series to harness the full power of Docusign. Have a great day.